Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Divya and I make skincare and makeup reviews. So today I'm going to be reviewing Pilgrim products. Pilgrim is clean compatible, not just free of harmful and toxic chemicals, but uses only those ingredients that either enhance the health of our hair and skin or support the effectiveness of formulations. So the first product that I have is Volcanic Lava Ash Face Wash with Yugdugu and White Lotus. It has powerful ingredients, and the first one is white lotus that has powerful antioxidants that act like a natural skin conditioner and help enhance radiance. It also has volcanic lava ash, which is a powerful dirt magnet that helps to deep cleanse the pores and remove the excess oil. And the third powerful ingredient is Yugdugu, which is a gentle exfoliator. The name is really funny guys, but it helps to remove the dead skin cells, dries out any active acne to reveal healthy looking skin. So overall, it cleanses the skin very gently, prevents acne breakouts, fights pollution and dust, reduces pigmentation and unclogged pores. You just have to massage it in circular motions for 20 to 30 seconds and rinse with water and pat dry. The next product that I have is Pilgrim 24K Gold Facial Mask. It has 24K gold, which has brightening properties that provide the golden glow. It boosts the collagen production, reducing the appearance of wrinkles. While going through the ingredient list, I got to know that it has olive leaf extract that has soothing and hydrating benefits, ideal for keeping skin moisturized and youthful. If you are a bride, I highly recommend this face pack to you because it really gives an instant glow to your skin. The application is really easy guys. Take a generous quantity and apply evenly on the face and neck. Leave for 20 minutes and rinse with lukewarm water. The next product that I have is Pilgrim Red Wine Face Cream with SPF 30. Guys, I want to share something with you. I have never imagined a cream with red wine, and if you have heard about red wine in skincare before, comment down in the comment box. I really want to know that what are the products available in the market that has red wine. So moving into the ingredients, it has red wine, which is an ancient French herbal medicine and which helps restore collagen. Next up, it has vitamin C, which is a natural skin brightening agent, and rosehip oil, which is a gentle natural oil that helps to reduce dark spots, pigmentation. So guys, that's all for today's video, and don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.